Hi everyone, City here. Today we have a single electric fryer, Frymaster brand. When we got this fryer, we found that the basket lifts, they don't go down or up because of what is the subject of our video today. When we came and we took the lift out of here, we pulled the lift, the arm, as you can see here. When we pulled the arm, I came in here and I saw that the rod, they are very greasy and they have a lot of grease on them, and they haven't been cleaned forever. The bushing, that space between the bushing and the rod is clogged, which will shorten the life of the motor inside the box here in the back. So it's not really good to leave these parts like this for a long time, because you will shorten the life of the motor that lift this rod up and down, which lift the baskets here inside the pot. When I came here also, you can see how dirty is. It's not just dirty, but a lot of stuff. I already put some the greaser here, sprayed it, but it was very bad. And if you can see here, there's some rollers that helps the arms to go up and down. They are very hard. This one doesn't even move now. Still, this one starts to move a little because, as I said, I sprayed it with some degreaser. I boiled this pot now to be able to clean this. So what we have to do is we have to take all the roller assembly and clean it the way it should be, and they recommend this from time to time, so you don't put more resistance or unnecessary resistance on the motor in the back, so you will shorten its life. For this you will need two wrenches, two 7/16, as you can see, 7/16, one here and one here. You just do like this. They are very hard because they are very dirty, greasy. And I will put all the parts, the bolts and the washers in this basket, so we will boil them. I will pull this bolt also. Here inside this roller there's a little spacer, or it's like a little cylinder, as you can see it here. This, you see how hard it is, and it's not supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be free and clean, so that little space inside the roller here will be free of anything, so the roller will roll freely. We'll go to the next one. It's very sticky and hard, but we have to do this so we can clean it, and you have to keep doing this from time to time. You don't want to leave it like this because as I said, you will shorten the life of the motor that lifts the rod and the basket lifts, and doing so you will end up spending unnecessary money. As I said, as you can see here, they are very hard to push. Let me try to use the screwdriver. Yeah, you see, this stuff is not good, and we will put it here. and then we will have to take the body that supports, if you want to, and everything has to be clean like it should. It's a very easy job to do, and it's very, very important. This is how it looks like. As you can see here, all this stuff has to be cleaned, and where the roller goes, you know, it has to be cleaned also, so everything will go back to normal life. Okay, so after we cleaned everything like it should, it's time to put it back. As you can see, now it's free of grease and that you know, carbon, build up carbon. We will put it together now. We'll start with this screws here to the splashback. It's always easy, and always start it with your hands. The next one. Then you don't have to tighten it all the way until you do the other one, because you can move it like this. It does have a little play, so you will leave the you have to tighten it like this, definitely, so the rods or the arms will go in here freely, you know, they don't have to be tight. Then we will put our rollers. If you can see they are turning freely. You put in you line the holes, then you do like this, you put in the nut, always start them with your hands. Again, for the next one, you put in the spacer or the little cylinder, you put it back here, you align the holes, you put the nuts, then you tighten them with the wrench like this. As you can see, the roller is turning freely, and that's how it should be always. And you do the same for next one, for the next. And as you can see, the rollers are rolling freely and nice. That's how you have to do it. Thank you very much for watching, and please, if you like what we just did, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. We appreciate your support for our channel. We do this just to share the information we had, and it's very important to do these little jobs from time to time, to keep your fryers, because at the end of the day you want to save a little money. That's how you do it. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe, support us. Thank you. You stay greasy.